Check. Welcome to Genius Potentials Program and Showcase. My name is One Take Carter, and you're here with Bert and Deck.
Look, man, I just been struggling all semester. Yo, if I'm being honest, I just don't have the balance, bro.
Skyler! The semester just started. Why you tripping?
Come on, man. Give me a break. I'm just trying to do better, man. Pick up my grades. I ain't trying to graduate to make minimum wage. I mean, partying sound nice, but I think I'm away.
I ain't trying to stress you. I'm just saying Kim got a twin sister. And they both top of the class. They gon' miss you.
They're trying to do more than connect. And my girlfriend probably wouldn't be too impressed. Plus, I told her I'm a study for she pouted and left. To be honest, I'm just trying to write a verse for a track.
I'm opening the doors, you ready or not? When that time on the desk say handy your clock. We could play one of your songs, but they'll tell you it's hot. Party time, press play, dog, ready to rock.
First day, press play, what do? Do I grab my textbooks and just walk about the room? Or turn all the way up?
Take it one day at a time, take it in stride.
What do I?
I can remember the day at a time.
And it was in that very moment our friend Skyler here was faced with a critical decision. Should he get a head start on his paper that's due? Or should he party, meet new people on campus? I need to know right now, out there in the audience, in the chat, let me know, paper or party? If you fail one more course this semester, not only are you going to lose your academic scholarship, you're going to lose access to the campus recording studio. What? Find one of these fine organizations on campus and get involved. And finally, Skyler, you gotta learn when to ask for help. Asking for help is not some sign of weakness. It's actually a strength.
Don't you give up on your dreams.
Are we clear?
Yeah,
Don't you give up on your dreams. Don't you give up on your dreams. Don't you give up on your dreams.
People like Malcolm try to doubt my credibility.
Did somebody call Malcolm over? Not you again, Marty Marr.
If you are part of Team Malcolm, put Team Malcolm in the chat. Enough of that, let's get it started. It's Martin Luther King, bro. You can call me big, bro. It wasn't always simple. I had to fight gin, bro.
I was lost at my next stop, prison, in jail with these thoughts. My self-esteem gone. I wrote a letter to the nation, to Islam. That's the. Let me get some X's in the chat for Malcolm, y'all. Yeah.
I need y'all to put Team MLK in the chat. Martin Luther, I take you to the future. You don't even gotta call an Uber.
Keep going. Yeah, finals got me beat.
Yeah, all right, man, so we make some decisions. So I can get these J's, these new Jordans. If you guys see, these are the ones. Or I can get some textbooks.
Textbooks, man. Get the J's, my brother. Get the J's.
For students, it's gonna make sense to them when you speak to them and understand and incorporate their world. You know how they be treating you when your iPhone is old? So, the iPhone 13, or I can get a brand new laptop that lets me do graphic design. I didn't mention I want to be a graphic designer. Which one should I get, Moneybag, bro?
How you going to text Nicole without the new iPhone, man? You need the cord.
I'm not gonna text Nicole because I'm with Mia, so. So put in the chat. Should I get the iPhone or the laptop? What do y'all think?
Yeah, finals got me
The 13.
Dreams are in my reach.
Okay, so before we kind of wrap up, does anybody have any questions for us?
Right, thank you everybody. We appreciate you.
Some of that on that. Yeah.
Just keep going. Just keep going.